This is gonna get deleted. I think the Twan is trying to kill me. Because why do he got me out here like this? What do he got going on?
Hey, buddy. All right, we gotta hurry up before sunfall. Well, we might be in here the sunset, but we're going on a trail walk. You know what I'm saying? Show the scenery. It looked fucked up, but it's not fucked up. Y'all gonna see. So we're gonna start off like this. You can show them this.
Can you show them where the sun is at? Because it's not out here.
If I had to say the sun, that's right there. Somewhere in the clouds. Like real nigga. Real nigga, I trained her up myself, man. Real trenchers.
Now I can really get like, we can really do it.
Oh shit. I thought you bust your fucking head open.
Get active now, buddy.
Alright. So this is her first time being out here. You know, I had to take her out. We in Puerto Rico right now. We're in Puerto Rico and shit. Make sure we back at 9 on the dot. Heard some shoes that's hanging up on the power line because she ain't had no shoes. Them shit's like the Mike shoes. And this
it's like a real trail.
It's really not. You gonna see. That should be alright. You hungry? You wanna work up your appetite? You see where we gotta go across? Yeah. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Basically, we gotta walk under the bridge across the water. And I think it's supposed to be rapids. Not, what is it? You know what we're on the rapids is. When they go on the raft, what is it? White water raft?
That's at Busch Gardens.
No, it's a thing really called like white water rafting. You know what I'm talking about? People that go in there be like going down like.
In a float?
Yeah, and be flipping over, people falling off. Like real rough waters. Yeah, I think it's that shit.
I don't know the something.
We're not going on it. They just, you see like all them rocks up there.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
She don't give a fuck. She don't care.
Oh,
Look, okay.
You's a freaky ass nigga.
Okay, buddy. So we starting early. We starting early. I see her looking at the white man. Okay. You would have changed that whole nigga life around.
Okay.
We just talked about it. Buzz cut, earring.
He already got a little hit to him.
Okay. How you know? Fuck nigga, interrupt my video.
You know he want to use that shit for.
What? OnlyFans, right?
Exactly. And you playing. I'm telling you, we gotta get on it. He'll be our first subscriber.
He probably would. Be coughing right behind the video.
Exactly.
Don't shit, I ain't throw her shoes like that. And you going with it too. I'm gonna headbutt you. Nah, get off of me. I used to thought I was the fastest nigga in the world because I never lost a race, honestly. Look at that, son, right there. What's that? What's some bubbles for? What's that? Look. Let's see if you can figure out what that is.
The bubbles?
Mm-hmm.
It ain't nothing.
What is it? You don't see that right there?
Nigga, the water.
Ah, you smart. You smart, buddy. I thought I had you. I thought I had you for a second.
Oh, nah.
Look, I'm like, this nigga right
I'm on P's and Q's right now, trying to figure out why the hell you got me out here.
I told you.
Trying to kill me?
There you go. Look, the city life. We can move out here. We can sell both our cars. We don't need no car if we move out here.
I need my car. Like my little Malibu.
Sell our cars. We don't need them no more.
We just ride scooters and bikes.
Mm-hmm.
We have kids now, so
They can walk down the street.
get a little buggy.
Mm-hmm. They can carpool.
You seem like you had a breath, buddy.
Mm-hmm. This shit like that, like, nigga, are you about to honestly buy one though?
What?
You just stopped me to do all that, nigga. You just not about to buy no fucking camera.
He might.
Hey. For the only reason you said.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's the only reason.
You're on her YouTuber boyfriend.
I feel like you really like the come up girl.
The come
Like,
up girl?
yeah. Like I'm like, bro, we
Don't
used to.
say nothing stupid.
Okay. As in, like, I'm like, bro, I don't know how I fucked up eating 5 for 5s with her. Like, $5 biggie bags. Like, and she just stayed down the whole time, yo. Like, I was really fucked up with her, yo.
wasn't fucked up though.
Shut up.
Okay.
But I feel like you. I feel like. But I feel like you would be though. Like.
I would be.
Like you would.
Like
nah.
No girl.
Yeah, like.
What are you trying to say though?
Like if I was sleeping in my car, you'd be like, it's okay, babe. Like let's go to sleep.
Think I'll sleep with you?
I don't know now. I don't know the way you just. The way you just said that, I don't know. I take that shit back. You think I would sleep with you? Oh, my bad, babe. I got it in my mind. A lot of niggas dying. Still walking now. We done made it to the forest. I'm taking it to this excluded location. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Yeah, let me.
Do you not see all these bugs?
You one of them. I'm used to the shit.
Oh. Okay. Starting with the joke. Okay.
I ain't tell a joke yet. She crying about her hair getting frizzy. It's too late, baby. This the real you.
I'm about to be Michael.
You said you about to what?
I'm about to be Michael.
What that mean?
I'm having fun. So, you come out here often?
Nope, just when I wanted to complete a mission.
You wanna go down there? Are you scared?
There's some rocks up there, buddy.
Really?
That's kind of like a little steep. I'd rather go up here. Yep.
You scared.
In the water.
You chicken.
The water. Shout out to Tali. I'm gonna put a link in the bio for the shirt. This shirt is real authentic, real cotton, you know? I like my shirts to be thick. Nothing loose, real thick. This shirt is 100% cotton. I feel like it's good. Cause you know how you get, usually when niggas make brands, they should be like polyester.
Right.
Or it be real thin.
And they unisex.
Yeah, there you go. But his shirt, like all his brands, his hoodies to his sweatsuits, all that shit. All that shit feel good. Feel right. It'd be hard for me not to throw this bitch on too many times though, I ain't gonna lie. I should've got the black one. All right, we to our location. My sweet Shayla baby.
Oh my gosh, why is there people over there?
You acting like they gonna all
You
gonna turn
gotta
around.
shoot them.
I'm just like that old lady out here. She walked the whole way out here. That's good.
Your ass trying to get cracked.
What? I think it's gonna be like a little golf cart out here or something.
She's trying to get crushed.
They must have met somewhere like this. No way they married or
What
something.
is this their first date?
That's what I'm saying. It gotta be some shit like that. No way they 30 years or what bitch is like, man, when we first met here, I cracked you right on these rocks. Look, that nigga really got a chair. Niggas really come here and just watch the
Just
sunset.
sit here. This is super cute.
Let me show them. These the holes, you know how niggas be like throwing stuff in and then they come out somewhere out there.
Imagine like water just come out.
Or like a water spout. So you slip, I'm sorry, I'm gonna laugh. So we was all the way back there.
You better catch it.
I better catch you. If you get shot in the air by a water spout or you slip, you shouldn't slip though, you should be good.
See, you keep jinxing me every time you.
But look at the arm
this
grab.
shit actually very slippery.
Nah, cause you stepping on pieces you not like you'll step on the edge
Well,
like that.
I'ma follow you.
Yeah, I better say just follow me.
Imagine me bust my ass. Wow, this is so cute.
Together, but definitely not.
What was the first one?
Not trash me.
Oh yeah.
I was actually looking at the sunset.
I was gonna throw the gang
Real
sign,
nigga.
but I ain't had one.
Right on there. We gotta be that couple. Like we gotta see who can go the farthest. I'm a competition. Like we gotta try to go further than them. He drying his shoe out. He done fell in the water.
Exactly.
He tried the whole time. He been trapped there for like 2 weeks.
He probably took them off to get over there. We should have came here in the summertime. I would have got in the water.
I believe you too. The country, yeah.
Now I'm country. I thought it was city girl.
Nobody ever told you that. I don't know who the fuck.
You cannot tell me this don't look like Africa, like Madagascar. Like,
they literally run on the bottom of the water.
that's amazing.
That ain't amazing. That's scary as hell. You that big that you just literally run.
Oh, my baby.
I would have been shitty, boy. If I would have fell right there, I ain't gonna lie. I would have took my anger out on you. I'm like, why didn't you catch me? Like, let me go over here where it's dry.
I really tried.
Yeah, let me walk right here.
I'm not following you no more.
You good? It's dry. Walk real slow, buddy.
Whoa. All right. Because it'll be me doing the actual fall. Yeah, we're going home.
You was gonna be wearing Dollar Tree clothes. And you fucking playing. That's what I be talking about.
I want to get my feet wet.
You just make me sick.
Fish in there.
Where the fuck you see? Oh, I do see him. Yeah. Usually they attack it if it was still water. She's trying to go noodle fishing.
I want to feel it. Some people drink this water. This is spring water.
How the fuck you know this spring water? You just said shit. This is spring water. This is straight sewage probably. Look at that shit dropping from the rocks over there. That whole wall. Damn, they looking at that. Might be nowhere the way they looking. Twat. Oh, the sun down, look, he starting to pay the shit. So that's it right there. Cool. Ah, push that nigga show. My girl hungry. Hurry up, want Mexican. I feel like we eat Mexican every fucking day now. All she wants is Mexican. Rice and cheese. Don't even get shit.
Whoop-de-doo.
Then she get her chicken on the side. Don't even eat the chicken.
Like, this would be a good place to like for the OnlyFans.
You's a freaky ass nigga. Fuck you mean? Get your freaky ass on. You know you freaky on my dick.
To the sunset.
Cracking milk in the
Got
nature.
Got a nut before sunset.
Yeah.
You just make me. I was just. You should be saying bullshit.
Sexy milk.
You really think you're a MILF. Go ahead and say some bullshit. MILF gotta be fine, like. You're.
Anyways.
You giving a
real nigga.
Gosh.
She got thick ankles too.
Cause our cholesterol level high.
My cholesterol? Oh,
Now you don't know where you walking. Look. Come over here to the light part.
help me.
Help me.
You almost fell. You just want me to fall.
We ain't gotta go yet. Enjoy it.
No.
You see other people leave, you trying to get that shit off of me.
Huh?
Now my hands stink.
Get your hand off my butt. Ew.
I'll take that shit right now.
I want to go further.
You wanna go further?
I'm finna take my shoes off. I feel like shoes is the problem.
Go ahead. I dare you.
Country if I do that.
No, I'm not. You just gotta put them back on. Well, if you keep everything dry, it shouldn't matter. You gonna keep your feet dry too?
I hope so.
Yeah, you should be able to. Go ahead.
Nah.
Look, they came out here in their little sandals. Say something. Say something, Race. That's all they wear. You racing.
No, you are.
The way you look back, that's the nigga that work at American Best Wings too.
Oh, see? See?
Bro, that's not him.
No. I don't know. I mean,
You trying to, come on, bro, just jump, man. Be spontaneous.
yeah.
That shit was slippery.
Exactly.
Hold on.
What's your,
Oh.
see? Fuck is wrong?
Follow me, bro. Follow. We gotta leave.
Skipping on the water.
He don't supposed to be out here with her. He keep looking back too many times. He like, fuck. He don't supposed to be out here with her. Look at him. He keep looking back. Look. I gotta be an exclusive one too, cause that's rocks and shit. That's rocks and some more shit.
She got a motor on that shit.
She do that shit daily, man.
And where's she going?
He do not supposed to be out here with her. He keep looking back. I'm like, fuck. He like, don't put me in the video. There's in my video.
What?
Did they walk in the back of my shit?
Yeah.
Like that. Look at them. Look at that. She recording. Okay. Her first date with Alejandro.
They got married at first sight.
You know they did. It was forced marriage. You know, she was 12.
Arranged marriage.
She was like, your husband is coming over.
She 12. She 12.
She was 12.
Oh, you taking a picture of her?
Before you kill her.
Too cute. They probably must.
Oh, you look at you and you talking about me. When you fell in love with this bird, you can't even see him for real. If you fall, just know. Alright, keep on playing. Go there and get right in front of them.
Sit down.
Y'all picked a good spot. Look, he said, yep, that's my cue.
Oh, my Sheila.
It ain't that bad, though. This is more like a random shit, too. And I'm telling them how it was just random. We just got up and went out here. It was more of me, because, you know, spontaneous. Just get up and go. Like, I'm just get up and go get her, you know? You got to get up and go, you know? Just get up and go do it. Oh, my goodness, more people.
Oh, there go that big titty girl.
Where?
Yeah.
She won her tennis skirt. She got her eyes on the prize. Oh my God. A real coochie bumper.
Why would you say that?
Yeah.
Comment down below. Say.
You said I got a what?
I ain't no fucking puppy. That's not even mind my business.
Yeah, because that's a fucking dogs in that bitch.
What you think that building is right there? A cemetery?
I better say that. Cause the shit you walked through, it didn't look like that's the cemetery shit
I was
over
gonna
there.
say that's somewhere somebody could get married. Cemetery. Well.
You good, buddy?
Sorry.
My nigga was out here for a minute. He was out here since it rained. That nigga in the red.
Oh.
What is it?
You wanna play?
What? What are you talking about?
You try to push me?
Nobody worried about you, y'all. And we gotta do a good food. We gotta do Richmond at night. So this is Rick. No, I can't even say this Richmond during the day. And she light skin or brown skin? Y'all comment.
I'm brown.
You're light skin. That's a light skin out there.
Brown.
If niggas try to say I'm light skin, you're light skin.
Come on, butt. And you did it.
All right, hold on. How you do it? This way. That little ass butt.
Yeah, Dr. Miami.
You finally admitted you paid for it. Like, you know how long it took for that to come out?
Yeah.
We might as well take his spot now. You gonna bust your fucking head
Want to?
open.
Let's try it. Let's do it.
You go ahead. Don't do it. Don't do it. I ain't got time. Cause you gonna start going down. Help me! Help me! You wanna really try to get over there?
You gonna help me?
I'm gonna have to.
No, that's right.
Take your ass straight to the
Another man. How the hell did he even do it though?
That's it.
That's it?
That's it for you.
Okay.
I ain't got to.
Okay. I don't even know how he was able to do that.
You gotta do jump for that.
His extra long leg.
Are you looking at the legs? He probably stay off a house right off the back of them woods too.
Yeah.
Oh, he just down the fucking D-box.
That nigga turnt right now.
Look, he wobbling too.
He better go to the club.
It be niggas that like that who be a city ripper.
He might be the mayor the whole time.
This nigga crazy. I almost had it.
My phone.
I almost knocked him in the room.
Yeah, that would have been the second time.
I almost had you, buddy.
Two on the phone breaker.
I was like, well, look like you might just gotta talk to me.
The phone undertaker. Oi. Oi, mignon.
Alright. Did we come this way? No, wait. I about to say it won't this fucking high. Alright, nigga, you could have just jumped at this point.
I wish you would have failed just so I could have laughed.
Y'all hear that? See? This is what I go through.
You want to be better than me so bad. You can't be better than me. Ah!
Absolutely disgusting, by the way. I almost puked, but let me stay focused.
Buddy!
Alright.
Yeah, I want to be better than you so bad, huh?
Get back.
You gotta hold the book back.
No, I don't want to get anything. Waterfall.
Just follow me. Try to keep up.
Stop. I'm gonna walk right through water.
I believe you too. Look, you ain't even had to do all that. Look, you just...
I'm scared.
I'm gonna whoop your ass when we get out of here.
Yeah, this shit crazy. This slippery slope. This is so cute, babe. Thank you for bringing me here.
Yeah, you know, it took you forever to get ready. My little Frenchie. All right, everything's a west now.
Exactly.
Okay. You know you fall straight B-box juice coming out your head. Everybody gonna run over you and start licking it up.
Exactly. Uh-oh, this is where it got me last time.
I don't even think it was right here. I feel like it was over there. Oh.
Thank you. Ooh, you got a nice drip on that.
That's all the extra dead skin built up from the shipyard.
The calluses and stuff.
I don't think we came this way, buddy. Just follow me.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh my, why is it only me? It's these shoes.
You know you're... No. Put extra oil at the bottom. WD-40.
Yeah, I know it's right here.
No, start right there.
Right here.
Look, I'm gonna pull you, buddy.
No, we both gonna fall.
I'm gonna pull you. I ain't falling nowhere. Watch. 1, 2, 3.
Ugh.
Dang it, I thought I had you right there. Thought you would have failed.
Oh, it's a dog.
You know you're allergic.
The rapids are formed by water tumbling over hard granite rocks. This is a part of the 900-mile Atlantic seaboard fault line. With
Such a good reader, buddy.
you see, I ain't stutter.
I see it. You practiced before we started the video.
No, you read it and don't stutter.
Richmond settled with the Piedmont and coastal plain regions of Virginia. Meet with James River. Hold on. The fault line is the point where best no longer proceed under stream due to the rapids formed by the change of elevation. Elevation drops around 120 feet over the course of 7 miles. The rapids are formed underwater, tumbling over hard granite rocks. This is part of the 900-mile Atlantic seaboard fault line, which stretches from New York to Georgia. Ooh.
Appalachians.
You did not say it like that. Go out.
Floyd, we know them. Ooh. do a flip for me.
I don't know if I still got it in me though, baby. I don't know. These need my buckle up. Left.
Shit.
Right.
Okay. It's dark. So now we are about to crack in the corners of the woods. Psych.
You's a freaky ass nigga. Fuck you mean?
3 hours later.
Obviously, I gotta get the jerk car first. This big ass fucking tripod. Oh, we got stars.
My nigga said, never mind. He probably need that shit bad.
What if somebody be mad that I'm recording their car?
Turn it around on yourself.
Oh, okay. Act like I'm a vlogger.
What door? I'm pretty sure yours. Most of the thing I see like a lot of BMWs.
There's a lot of BMWs out
Yeah,
here.
that's what I'm saying. They the shit that Jordan used to come from. Oh, that's the shit from the last one. That's in the last. That's the shit from the last video.
What? Boondock?
Yeah, the boondock shit over there.
You think you know anybody out here?
They said what pulled up?
Yeah. I wonder what the other one was.
They probably. I should add Quiz. I don't see none of them niggas here.
Yeah, me neither. You want me to start talking to you? Exactly. And he ended up knowing everybody. So where are we at?
We in Virginia.
We in Virginia Beach.
I ain't gonna lie.
I wouldn't
Now I would call this bitch chest.
This is Chesapeake.
I think that's what it says.
Okay, we don't need to record this. There's nothing other than oh, in the store though.
Yo, what the fuck? Of course they open. They said, yes, come on, my friend.
He's so hype.
You know what I'm talking about?
He making business in here.
He said, what a car, friend?
He's selling alcohol to everybody. Anybody can get it.
There's another shit in Richmond.
Well, we fumbled that one.
Nigga, you know what time we would have got? Yeah. I thought you got to most of these shit I be saying like drive around. I'm gonna buy my bitch in the pan. That's the shit. Look at that van. That's like the shit was like, you gotta trade it in. You gotta get it.
He holding on to it.
You know what I'm talking about? He like, all right, if I gotta get a van. Yeah. That's my shit.
Look at that car right here.
Yeah, he would definitely strip on. They done blocked my nigga in.
Well, I'll be down.
Gotta go over. Now you gotta scrape that bitch again. Nigga come to
Nobody else is like recording. Let me just turn it off.
trying to pull off and back up.
Who? The whoop-dee-doo.
Ugly as fuck.
Whoop-dee-doo. Yeah. Actually, I was trying to see what flavor.
Pedialyte.
Yes.
Oh, glad.
I don't see a Pedialyte.
They said they fight?
So if you want to go ahead and due diligence, I got that, Bubba. All right.
We gave you all this business. You gonna do that, bro? They ain't about to fight. We got on the push the button in. Alright, we just left the car meet. That shit won't know. We better slide by the white people car meet and see what's going on. She wanted to drive the car and let's let her drive the car and see what she do. I'm kind of scared though. I'm kind of scared. She gonna leave us in a red. Yeah, I see my little shit fucked up back there. My shit kept falling, so I said, fuck it.
Thank you for letting me try. didn't see all these cars. You should have parked at Wawa. That's what you said. I'm about to get on one of these shits. They gonna like, yeah, girl. Come on over in. Oh, it's literally just bikes.
Like, just imagine you just an old head, you just pulling up the Wawa. The Wawa known too.
Yeah, it's real life.
I'm just saying. Like, that's gonna be your first stop. Like, that's gonna be your first fucking stop. What the fuck? What's going on? Fire Tyree and hire you. Go ahead. What you want to do?
I just did it one time, babe.
I'm not when if you got it on and you don't record nothing, it going like same mode. All you gotta do is hit the record button.
No, let's walk around all the way around.
I mean, I feel like everybody knows. Go ahead. You could just walk through the middle of the block. Oh, that's what they talk about. They said the state trooper over here.
Just trying to make it.
This motherfucker fast. If you ever try to rush like a Corvette. Look at the wheels and the fat ass wheels. I'm like, damn, this again. Honey, this is the only night I get to go out. You gotta get like a distinctive color, like them, like the yellow. I want to change the color of my shit. I don't know, but I want like a distinctive color line. Like essential, like brown.
Weren't you just at the other spot?
Yeah.
I noticed you. I was like, there we go. You have an Instagram?
Yeah. Tron Hellaband.
Okay.
And a YouTube.
Oh no, my shit dead.
Oh, damn.
Can I put mine in yours?
Huh?
Can I put mine in yours? Oh no. Same problem.
I'll watch it saying through the video.
_MULATTRESS.
Bumping coochies by next week. I can see it.
She trying to bump coochie.
I told her.
Now she trying to get my Instagram right in front of you. You ain't say nothing.
I know what's gonna happen.
I ain't about that.
You gonna be like, yeah, you know.
Oh, that little shit.
She do eyebrows, but she said the only way I can get my eyebrows done.
Fuck no.
I'm like, oh, that's what you gotta do.
She was a beautiful girl.
Is that the only payment they want from you?
Beautiful.
What is he? It's not that.
Oh, we got competition.